Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I just received some new electronics component for my next project. Let's see what inside it. The packaging is good. This is servo motor. This is fog generating component. One, this is a flame sensor. It detects fire or any type of flame. This is a laser sensor. This is a audio amplifier. This is moisture sensor, soil moisture. I ordered lots of component. This is a speaker, a big size speaker. This is a water pump. Some zip ties. This is MQTT gas sensor. You can see all these are packed. This is a speaker for my next audio project. This is a here. This is band, but I think it works properly. This is not in very good condition, but this is a caster wheel for my robotics project. Male to male jumper wires, pipe, and this is audio amplifier. This is a LCD screen. I order a bigger one, but I get some small. And this is a microphone. So let's arrange all the components. This is a microphone, LCD screen, amplifier, speaker, jumper wires, flame sensor, zip tie, another speaker, servo motor, soil moisture sensor, another amplifier, laser, gas sensor. So these are the components which I order from Hari's project. These components I received today. They will be used in upcoming electronics and robotics project. Which component should I test first? Comment below and follow for more electronics project. Thank you.